It was a pretty unique situation for us where we had an opportunity to start over. We had three major distribution outlets in the state of Michigan: Mount Pleasant, Saginaw, and Petoskey. And it was time to blend the operations together. We researched for a couple of years prior to the completion of the facility here in Bay City. Went to a number of different locations, looked at new technologies, new equipment, and then took the best practices and put them together.
We actually consulted with an outside engineer and with Kevin from Anderson. They both came in, sat down with the designs, and we laid out on paper what our pick path was going to be like based on product flow, volume, things like that. And then we measured our aisles to maximize the efficiency of the aisles.
We approached Anderson to help us determine the right equipment, the proper equipment for each one of the actual functions that we would be performing in this location. They brought a lot to the table in new, innovative equipment designs and designs that fit our exact needs.
Fabiano brothers had some pretty specific productivity goals they wanted to attain with the opening of the new distribution center. The industry prior to this had used 2 carts at a time on an electric pallet jack. And what Tom wanted to do was find a way to pick to 4 carts simultaneously with 1 operator and 1 vehicle. Now, we worked with Raymond Engineering and our fabrication and operations teams, and we came up with a solution. And so today we're using 4 of these 6-wheel beverage carts on 1 Raymond 8400 series trucks, significantly enhancing their productivity for order picking. Now, one of the other unique things they came to us with was based upon the sheer volume of trailers and loads that they were going to be receiving on a daily basis. They needed to shorten the time it took to unload those trucks. So at that point, we incorporated the Cascade single-double pallet handler on the front of a Raymond 4700 series truck and literally cut their unloading time in half. At the same time, we implemented an opportunity charging system that took advantage of the Raymond efficiencies in runtime, combined with the ability to charge them at any time, so that we were able to run basically 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, while we completed that consolidation and move.
The way we're operating now with the equipment that we're using, it's totally different than what other wholesalers have been doing in the past. Totally different than what we did in the past, and we found that it's been very effective, very efficient, and cost effective. So it's helped us tremendously.
Look at the new technology and in equipment design, product handling. Gather up as many thoughts as you can. Look at the best practices that you find. Modify them if need be for your individual location. And embrace the technology that's out there right now.